you struggling to get the desired band score in IELTS writing task 2? Well, you're not alone. There are many students who struggle to get their desired band score. In this video, I am going to help you to know the 5 most common mistakes which lowers the band score in writing task 2. And I'm going to help you understand it with the help of the IELTS band descriptors. Mistake number 1. Students write great essays, but they do not get the desired score. Why? Because they are not addressing all parts of the question. If the question asks for causes and solutions, and the student addresses only the causes, the score is not going to be right. If you see the band descriptors, a band 9 score shows that all parts of the task are answered completely and is well written. A band 4 will have minimal usage of words and the address to the question will be very small. A band 7 will give a sufficient response but may lack some focus. इसलिए आपको अच्छी vocabulary रखना, concerned with the topic, सीखना ज़रूरी है. Example, if the question says, give the causes and solutions for pollution, then you need to give an equal amount of causes and solutions. Well balanced होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि आपने 2 causes दिए और 4 solutions दिए या vice versa. बराबर हो. The tip is 2 या 3 मिनट आप spend करिए to analyze your question. Task को समझिए और फिर अपने thoughts organize करके लिखना शुरू करिए. Mistake number 2. Coherence and cohesion. Your ideas must flow in a proper manner, smoothly from one topic to the other. Use correct paraphrasing and linking of our words should be in the right way. If not, it confuses the examiner. A band 9 score will show cohesion skillfully and a sequencing of ideas. Band 7 will be written in a proper manner but may lack linking words. Band 4 will, however, show poor progression and paraphrasing incorrect. For example, instead of saying pollution is bad and factories cause pollution, it is better if you say pollution negatively impacts public health. Furthermore, factories cause pollution. Tip: use cohesive devices properly. For example, words like furthermore, moreover, on the other hand, should be used in the right manner when you are writing your task 2. Mistake number 3. Using limited vocabulary. This will reduce your marks in the lexical resource. That is, you need to use a wide range of words when you are writing. Use of synonyms is important, as well as paraphrasing. A band 9 score means you need to use good amount of vocabulary in a natural and accurate manner. Band score: sufficient vocabulary with minimum errors. And a band score means very basic vocabulary with some errors. Example, instead of saying pollution is bad, you could say pollution is extremely harmful. You could say pollution is harmful for public health, or you could use any other word instead of just saying bad. Important tip: learn topic-based vocabulary and try to paraphrase useful phrases and words. Mistake number 4, grammatical errors. Frequent grammatical mistakes can disrupt clarity and lower your scores. A band 9 answer uses grammatical structures accurately and correctly. A band 7 response has a variety of complex sentences with minor errors. A band 4 response has confusing grammar and punctuation, reducing clarity in writing. For example, people is responsible for pollution. This is incorrect. The correct answer is people are responsible for pollution. The tip you can keep in mind is focus on subject-verb agreement and correct sentence structure when you practice. Mistake number 5, last but not the least, सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है आपका टाइम मैनेजमेंट. आपको 20 मिनट्स टास्क 1 के मिलते हैं और 40 मिनट्स टास्क 2 के. बैंड डिस्क्रिप्टर्स में ऐसा कोई क्लॉज नहीं है कि इसके लिए मार्क्स कटते हैं, लेकिन मिसमैनेजमेंट ऑफ टाइम विल मेक यू रश थ्रू टास्क 2. अगर आप टास्क 1 में बहुत ज़्यादा समय ले लेते हैं तो टास्क 2 के लिए आपको कम टाइम मिलता है. रिमेंबर टू कीप 5 मिनट्स फॉर प्लानिंग and 5 minutes for revision of your task 2, which is very important to check for spellings, grammatical errors or sentence structures. इसलिए time management आपके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. The last and final tip is ज़रूर अपना time management देखिए और according to that अपना task 2 complete करिए. So these were the 5 most common writing task 2 mistakes. इनमें से कौन से mistakes ऐसे हैं जो आप फेस करते हैं अपनी प्रैक्टिस के दौरान या आप अपने previous attempt में कर चुके हैं? Do comment and let us know. And if you like this video, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.